Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Snow is Glistening stamp set. Now, this is not part of a bundle. This is a stamp set and die that can be purchased this month only. And that was Molly walking across my desk, and she wanted me to tell you that you only have 5 days left to purchase this stamp set and die, or even the trinkets. So the thing is, I have an online class going on right now, and those trinkets up there are a free gift. So if you would like to get something for free, hey, purchase the class. Now, I just wanted to go over this stamp set is really versatile, and I really wanted to showcase it one more time before, the time has come and passed. So you can see what I'm doing here. There's 4 different snowflake sizes in this stamp set, and I am initially inking up with Pool Party and then also inking up with Mint Macaron at the end. So I found that Mint Macaron is darker than Pool Party, so I'll do my stamping initially in Pool Party on whichever stamp that I've chosen. I go from big to small in this card design, and you can see I'm off the edge. I'm going on the left hand side of the card as well, and I don't care. I'm having a heck of a time with this stamp set. I love the look of this. Soft blues and greens together for a Christmas card depicting winter is perfect. And when I fill in with this little guy, you can see how I'm able to balance the Pool Party and the Mint Macaron between the two. I'm balancing it all so it just looks like a beautiful random pattern. And yes, I'm stamping on the back side of the card, because I'm different, and I've done this in the past a long time ago, and I should get back to doing it. There's no rule saying that you can't stamp on the back of the card. Anyway, have a good look at it, because that's the last you'll see of the back of it. So what I've done here is I've selectively masked off some of the words from the sentiment, and I just want Merry Christmas. That's all I wanted. I used my embossing buddy on my black piece of card, and now I have removed my masking tape, and I'm going to stamp down, and you're going to be able to see that only the Merry Christmas, to which I had inked up, is going to show. This is, of course, Versamark ink, which is a clear sticky ink that will actually stick. The embossing particles, the white embossing particles, are going to stick to it. Now, I don't show this very often because sometimes, this is like 101 stamping, but maybe some of you don't know. But just over top of the bucket here, I take my time and I brush away with a dry paintbrush all the little stray particles of that embossing powder. That is because when you are putting white embossing powder on black card, nothing shows up more than 1 or 2 little stray white particles. So I took my time, removed them with a dry brush, and now I've heat embossed the sentiment on my black card. Now I have a little extra bit of that painter's tape, and I am just going to trim down my little bit here. Now, one of the nice things that's coming in the new catalog that I happen to see is some beautiful rectangles that would fit this little sentiment. However, it's not here yet, so I have to make do. I'm taking my paper snips here and just cutting that to size. A little bit of dimensional on the back of that, and I will place that on the top-ish part of the card. And I used my brand new bone folder I got from Center Stage when I went to Orlando. It's a nice bone folder. All right, so I had said when I did my last video last week that I was going to start doing the inside of the cards. So I decided to do that. Just stamping a couple of times in Pool Party on the inside of the card and also on the envelope too, because I'm turning over a new leaf and I'm going to try to do the inside of cards if I can. All right, here's a little bit of glue dot and I'm adhering that snowflake trinket, and that is my card for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will catch you again next time. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.